If you're going to start working with the Strappy.io Headless CMS, I'm just going to point out a few websites that may benefit you if you're not aware of their existence. So the first one is here, handbook.strappy.io/strappy-story. This tells the Strappy story beginning in October 2015, and it's really fun and interesting to read through this. And it looks like it doesn't have 2022 in there yet, but they do cover up through version 4 release, which was a pretty major release. And so you should familiarize yourself with the history of Strappy. It's really interesting to see how the company has grown over a number of years. So give it a look. Also, the Strappy Design System can be found here, design-system.strappy.io. It helps you to understand kind of the thinking behind the product and just some of the components and typography and colors, the grid system, and much more. So you can dig through this information to help you understand the Strappy design system better. And if I click on the components down here, it says each component that is part of Strappy design system has been designed and developed in order to fit most use cases. They are all part of a library dedicated to help contributing to Strappy product or to create plugins and workarounds. And then here's a hyperlink, which if you click on that, it takes you to, well, I'll just click on it. We'll go there now. The Storybook page. And so you can scroll through this and see all kinds of different information that you can learn and read about for Strappy. There's also a Strappy GitHub repository that you can take a look at. And as of today, it has been updated, well, I guess as of yesterday, so 1,645 commits, 27 contributors. And anyway, it's just good to know that this is being updated frequently. So have a look at those resources. Hopefully they'll help you understand and be able to work with Strappy more easily. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new content.